I took myself on a solo breakfast date today. My mom speaks about this place a lot. She enjoys coming here, so I decided to experience it for myself. Before I even sat down, I took time to walk around and just enjoy the beautiful artwork. As I was walking, I was thinking about how layered life is. Life is creative, intentional, and it's always telling a story if you pause long enough to notice it. Moments like this have become sacred to me. They're not loud, they're not rushed, just quiet spaces where I reflect on where I've come from and where I'm going. I often think about how far I've grown, the woman I used to be, the lessons I've learned along the way, and the bigger question, who I want to be. I'm currently in a season where I'm deeply rooted in homemaking. By that I mean I find joy in cleaning spaces, warm meals, organized pantries, a well run home, but also deeply ambitious. I don't believe these two worlds cancel each other out. In fact, I believe they strengthen each other. I brought my laptop to do some work, not to escape life, but to actually design it, to start thinking intentionally about what's next, not just hoping things will change, but to plan for things to change. The Proverbs 31 woman comes to my mind often. She inspires me a lot, not because she was perfect. Well, the Bible doesn't say much, but we do know that no one's perfect. So, yeah, not because she's perfect, but because she's purposeful. The Bible says she considers a field and buys it. She was managing a household, yes, but she was also handling business. She was productive, strategic, forward thinking. She worked with her hands and with her mind. And that's the kind of woman I aspire to be. Someone who can scrub her bathroom with excellence and still dream audacious dreams. Somebody who nurtures a home while building a future beyond it. So this morning I spent time just brain dumping, looking at my long-term goals and brainstorming some ideas of what I can do in 2026 to push the needle forward and get me closer to those dreams. You can't do the exact same thing and expect the same results. So I encourage you as well, if you feel like, your life is not going in the direction you'd like it to, you think things are going slow, take advantage of this new year to make some serious changes. For me as a homemaker, life isn't about choosing between home and ambition. It's about honoring both because a woman can love her home deeply and still expand her vision boldly. My plans for the day are officially cancelled. I don't go anywhere. I don't do anything in the rain. It's just yucky to be outside when it's raining. So I want to organize my mom's linen closet. My mom's linen closet and her pantry have been on my to-do ever since I came. I want to start with the linen closet because it's going to give me a soft win and that's going to motivate me to tackle the bigger project, which is the pantry. I actually wanted to go to a hair shop. There's a hair shop I found on TikTok. The girl is selling what looks like good quality hair at really affordable prices. So I was like, this looks too good to be true. So I want to go to the shop and assess the quality with my eyes, but then the rain. So yeah, let's do the linen closet. Right. I think my plan for this room is to divide it into two, because this room is this a square? It's not quite a square, it's more like a rectangle but close to a square. So my plan is to divide it into two, use this wall for food items, use the middle for cleaning supplies, toiletries, and then I'll use this wall and this wall for storage of like whatever random things, because right now my mom is not really using this as like your traditional pantry where you keep your, you know, bags of rice and sugar, cooking oil, whatsoever. It's mostly things that are not in use. For example, like there's like a lot of pots, plates, cooking utensils, a serving way, things that I use maybe like for events, that sort of thing. And I don't think that's a good use of the space, because right now her food, or like the food in the house, is kept in like cabinets in the kitchen. I think we can create more space in here to use it both as a traditional pantry for like food items as well as storage.
You see me where I am, you won't forget about me. You hold my hand, you say that my identity is in you. I don't feel worth it 'cause I'm not, but you still stay. You love me so much that you sent your son to save. It's true. It doesn't matter what the world says. What makes me who I am ain't 'cause of the price. In your love, you made me, forgave me, then saved me. You're not mistaken, you're remaking.
If you've ever wondered why I have 10 of everything, 20 of everything, why I do my grocery shopping maybe 2 or at most 3 times a year for my non-perishables and just like stockpile, this is the reason why. An apple does not fall too far from the apple tree. I am clearly my mother's daughter. She's exactly the same way, and that's where I learned it from. I love these. I think I'm gonna take a few to go with when I'm going. Or better still, I should just go buy my own, but yeah, I love these.
I have nothing, but that doesn't matter to you.
I ended up moving everything from this side to this other side. My mom said that the sun hits here a lot, so she prefers to not put food on this side, which I actually kind of get, because if you can see, there's like light coming in, even though it's like a little bit gloomy today. Just a tip, if you're organizing your pantry or like you're organizing a cabinet where you keep stuff, make use of like different little like trinkets or whatever you have to like optimize space. So for example, I had put the grains this way one by one, and then I was like running out of space. I didn't have space to put everything, so I just thought of using this tray, which I found which wasn't being used, so I'm gonna put them in here and then store this on the shelf. That way it's gonna take more in the same space.
Don't decrease how you see me through. It doesn't matter what the world says. What makes me who I am ain't 'cause of the price. In your love, you made me, forgave me, then saved me. You're not mistaken, you're remaking my identity.
This is another tray that was not really in use, and I've just used it to like store a few items that I don't know, I just did not know what to do with them, so I just placed them here and left space for adding other things. One thing that's important when you're organizing is to leave space. For example, I've left a space here next to the milk in case, you know, there's something else that's bought that needs to be put. I've also left some space here. This is moving to the other side. This side is just gonna be for food. But yeah, basically the point is leave some spaces when you're organizing. This is another item I want to use to, you know, save space. I just found it in one of the kitchen cabinets and it has no lid, and the place I found it, I don't think anyone was using it. So I'm gonna use that to put like foil paper, cling wrap, that sort of stuff. Garbage bags, just like anything that can sit in it. So I've done all the food, it's on this side, and I've also kind of gotten started on the toiletries and other household items that are not food items. But I'm tired, so I'm gonna take a break. I don't want to keep forcing myself to do it when I'm now feeling tired. So I will show you guys what it ends up looking like in the next video, or in the video that I end up completing it. For now, I think it looks good. I don't want to show you because I might end up switching things around when I then complete it. So yeah, for now I think I'm just gonna take a break. Essay my beef, my hot dog saying it. Okay. This hot dog is overrated.
Cheers.
It's hot dog.
Hasa mnasa zinodiwa zvacho.
It's like just onions and tomatoes. I'm going to put everything. But I don't know. Natalie was hyping it up like, oh, they're so good. Combi drivers, like, what kind of behavior is this? What kind of behavior is... Why is this car in the middle of the road?